कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो प्योर हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स में पढ़ते हैं, बट येस वी डू हैव अ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया हु स्टडी इन प्योर इंग्लिश ऑल्सो। सबसे पहले बता दूं, मेरी 10th क्लास की मेमोरीज सबसे ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरीज हैं। ऑल डू आई रिमेंबर माई स्कूल लाइफ वाज क्लास 10th। इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल क्लास। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बस सिलेबस करा के चले गए, नो, we will be there with you till your exam. So finally reveal हो गया है, what surprise do we have today? We have this surprise that we have launched a brand new channel purely for all the students जिनको इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ाई करनी है। ना आप सोच रहे हो कि समृद्धि मैम आप इतनी इंग्लिश तो नहीं बोलते हो यार क्लासेस में, बैचेस में ना, आज क्या हो गया मैम इतनी इंग्लिश बोल रही है आके? बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया हु डोंट स्टडी इन बाइलिंगुअल्स, है ना। वो कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो प्योर हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स में पढ़ते हैं, बट येस वी डू हैव अ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स in various part of India who study in pure English also. So there were a lot of students who wanted content in pure English. We are already teaching lakhs of students on YouTube, but they are bilinguals, है ना? All those lectures are bilinguals. That means they are mixture of both Hindi and English. But there was a huge demand since so many months that we want batches in pure English as well. So your demand, we have to complete your demand. So that is why we are here. And not only me, I do have amazing awesome faculties with me who will be teaching you on this channel. बुला दे, जल्दी बताओ, एक बार हार्ट बना दो, है ना। Once you will make प्यारे प्यारे cute little hearts, I'll call your faculties, I'll call your educators, and trust me, you will love them. You will love them, you will enjoy them as you enjoy all the lectures on this channel, and I'm very confident that you will be enjoying all those lectures on this channel as well. Come to the point. What are the upcoming batches? As I said that on this new channel of PW English Medium for class 9th and 10th, we will be having free of cost batches for both class 9th and 10th. Right? So let us see the first batch we have. The first batch we have is the Phoenix batch for class 9th, and this will be a pure English medium batch for class 9 student, Phoenix batch, and this batch will be starting from 26th of June. Right? 26th of June से आपकी classes start हो जाएंगी. You will be getting one shot lectures for each and every subject 26th June onwards. राइट ये जो डेट है बेटा, ये बहुत ही मतलब आगे की डेट है, टेंटेटिव डेट है। सो साइंस की एक क्लास होगी पूरे वीक में, मैथमेटिक्स की एक क्लास होगी, लाइक दैट, ठीक है। जो भी आपका शेड्यूल रहने वाला है I'll share here, ठीक है। सो दिस विल बी योर वीकली प्लानर फॉर क्लास 9 फिनिक्स बैच स्टूडेंट्स। सो 4 बजे बेटा आपका लेक्चर होगा, ठीक है। 4 बजे आपको डेली क्लास होने वाली है, एंड दिस विल बी योर शेड्यूल। यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट हियर. I'm getting a little side. You can get screenshot here so that you know what will be the planner, what will be the schedule, right? This schedule will be followed for class 9th Phoenix Pact students. Okay. Now for class 10 students, very, very important. Okay? Class 10th is a very, very, very crucial and very important class when it comes to our school life, right? सबसे पहले बता दूं, मेरी 10th क्लास की मेमोरीज सबसे ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल मेमोरीज हैं। ऑल डू आई रिमेंबर माई स्कूल लाइफ वाज क्लास 10th. इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल क्लास, एंड ऑल्सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी अपीयर्ड फॉर बोर्ड्स, राइट। सो देयर इज दिस अलग लेवल ऑफ नर्वसनेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू बोर्ड एग्जाम, बिकॉज क्लास 12th में जब हम बोर्ड एग्जाम्स देते हैं तो ऑलरेडी हम क्लास 10th के बोर्ड एग्जाम्स को फेस करके आ चुके होते हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्लास 10th there is different level of anxiety, nervousness, right? But you will not be nervous when you have studied things properly pehle se hi, right? So Spartans batch for class 10 students, pure English batch for class 10 students. Again, the batch is starting from 27th of June. We will be completing all the syllabus by 3rd or 4th week of December. Again, this is a tentative date. We'll make sure we complete your syllabus by last week or first week of the January. After this, we will be having a lot of revision sessions where PYQs will be discussed, where NCERT exemplar problems will be discussed, activities will be discussed, sample paper, mock test paper, a lot of practice sessions, revision sessions will be there. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बस syllabus करा के चले गए. No, we will be there with you till your exam, right? So for this we have one class, and each class will be of 3 to 4 hours. So if I need to summarize, for class 9th, we have Phoenix batch, that will be pure English batch. For class 10th, we have Spartans batch, that will be pure English batch. For both the batches, lectures will be one-shot lectures. Each lecture will have duration of 3 to 4 hours. Again, it depends on the chapter. Maybe life process will take 3 to 4 hours, but at the same time, our environment chapter of biology will hardly take 1.5 hour to 2 hours. It totally depends on the chapter and the content, right? And the weightage as well, right? When a particular chapter is very, very important and weightage is strong enough in the exam, teacher will take numericals also. Teachers will take question discussion also. So automatically the duration of the lecture will increase. So it totally depends upon the weightage and the chapter. So this duration will be somewhere between 3 to 4 hours, right? Okay, let's move ahead. You must be interested to know that what will be the weekly planner for class 10 students in the Spartans batch. So this will be the weekly planner which we will be following. Again, 4 p.m. आपकी classes होने वाली हैं बेटा, and this is how you will get your lectures. Should we reveal? Okay, so for chemistry, we have Rachita Sachdev ma'am. Rachita ma'am is already teaching students of class 10th. She will be teaching you chemistry. She's already taught students previous in board booster batch as well. She's already taking classes in Udan English medium as well. A very, very experienced teacher, and I think she will make you fall in love with the chemistry, and I think you'll surely enjoy her lectures. And let's see next. For mathematics, we have Shivangi Rajput ma'am. Again, ma'am is already teaching thousands of students. ICSE board mein ma'am is already teaching Udan English medium students. She will be taking your mathematics and she will make you fall in love with mathematics. Already a very, very experienced teacher. Always I see students are enjoying her lectures, and I'll make sure, ma'am will make sure that you will enjoy all these one-shot lectures on YouTube channel as well. Next, we have Asta Suryavanshi ma'am. Ma'am is here with us, and we are delighted and we are very happy to have ma'am on board. And ma'am, when it comes to biology, students think that I am also a biology teacher, so I do know, right? How bacha they always cry, ma'am, yaad nahi ho raha, ma'am, yaad nahi ho raha. So ma'am, how you will be tackling this problem?
Again, ma'am, जैसे आपने बोला समृद्धि ma'am, that whenever we think about biology, we think we just have to memorize, we just have to mug up those facts which are presented to us, right? But it is much more than that. It is about the body, it's about your existence, right? Even you are sitting here, I was excited few moments back, you are excited here. What is happening behind that? Why you are getting excited? Why all this is happening? So it's nothing but all biology, right? We are standing, we are breathing, whatever we are doing, everything is biology. So it's not about just mugging up, it's actually the mystery behind our existence. So it's about that. Also, whenever we say biology, it's very boring, so we're gonna make interesting by cracking various activities, right? We're gonna perform various activities, we're gonna learn by using various 3D models, right? Also, we think that in biology there are very activities in the middle. We tend to miss those activities thinking इसमें से कहाँ ही आएगा, no questions are gonna come from this, but we're gonna tell you that where you don't have to miss. Obviously we're gonna tell you that you have to learn that, but we are also gonna tell you that you cannot miss this step. So yes, biology is gonna be interesting using various 3D models, using various activities,
Flowcharts, diagrams.
exactly.
And ma'am will make sure that each one of you understand each and every concept, because when it comes to biology, I know that each and every sentence of NCERT can lead and make a question. So ma'am will make sure that all your concepts are clear and you are prepared enough कि आपका एक भी क्वेश्चन मिस ना हो एग्जाम में, राइट मैम?
Exactly 100% marks in biology.
Okay, that will be a great journey with Astha ma'am. I will make sure. Okay, again we have Rubina ma'am for English. Ma'am already told that English is a very huge subject, but it is one of the most scoring subject. Ma'am, am I correct? बस इतना ही पता है मैम मुझे इंग्लिश के बारे में. Okay, ma'am.
Actually, English is in your main 5 subjects, and the most scoring subject for we can consider in our board is English. But it can create a worse scene if we are neglecting it, right? So English is just a language, and if we are considering English as a subject, then it will be a problematic. Since हम हिंदी बोलते हैं तो वैसे ही तो इंग्लिश बोलते हैं ना, तो सेम इफ वी आर कंसिडरिंग इंग्लिश एज अ लैंग्वेज, यू आर गोइंग टू स्कोर अ वेरी गुड मार्क्स. Fine. For example, if you are doing any drama or you are doing any chapter, you just have to think within yourself that we are just memorizing. No, we have to just do conversation. For example, I am talking with the Samriti ma'am, right? I am talking with you as well. So in the chapter, 2 persons are just talking or having the conversation, and it will give you a smooth flow of the chapter, and we will score a very good marks.
एंड मैम बियॉन्ड लिटरेचर क्या हम और भी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे? वी विल बी कवरिंग ग्रामर, वी विल बी कवरिंग राइटिंग सेक्शन, और वी विल बी कवरिंग रीडिंग सेक्शन एज वेल इन द लेक्चर्स.
Yes, ma'am. Since grammar is the most scoring, but if we are a CBSE student, fine, we generally, actually, I could say, हम फोकस ही नहीं करते हैं उस पर. फाइन, बिकॉज वी थिंक, बिकॉज आर स्पोकन इंग्लिश इज सो ब्यूटिफुल दैट वी निग्लेक्ट ग्रामेटिकल इंग्लिश. एंड आई एम सेइंग यू, ग्रामेटिकल इंग्लिश एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश हैज अ वास्ट डिफरेंस. जो हम बोलते हैं कई बार ग्रामर में सही नहीं होता है. Fine. So grammar is a more scoring, but you have to go through the concept as well. And in this video, or I could say in the coming lectures, we are going to cover up whole grammar, reading, writing, and your literature.
Thank you so much for giving us this insight that how we will be conducting English sessions. And as I said, for the other faculties as well, I can surely say that Rubina ma'am is a very experienced faculty, and she will make you understand that loopholes, right ma'am? Sometimes what happens in English exam, मतलब मेरे साथ भी यही होता था, sometimes we do these silly mistakes.
Yes.
So ma'am will let you know what you have, like what not to do, right? It is very important to know कि क्या करना है, but it is equally important to कि क्या नहीं करना. तो क्या नहीं करना इंग्लिश के एग्जाम में, मैम विल श्योरली मेक श्योर कि आप वो चीजें गलतियां ना करो.
For example, in the comment section, you are giving me the sentences and you haven't put the full stop. It will cut you off half marks. Fine.
Ma'am has already started working hard for you. She's already, analyzing your comments and letting you know mistakes. So ma'am will make sure all these mistakes are already highlighted in your lectures as well, so you will know कि क्या नहीं करना है, right? Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Let's move ahead. We have Kanchan ma'am for SST, 8 years of experience, pursuing B.Ed, already LLB. So ma'am will be taking your SST. We do have 4 components of SST, in which we have history, civics, geography and economics. So all 4 components will be taken by Kanchan ma'am. Again, a very experienced teacher. It is very important कि आपको जो भी faculty पढ़ा रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा experienced, because they must be aware of all the pattern of the paper. They should be aware of the trends what board has followed in the previous year. So ma'am, a very experienced teacher, and she will take care of your social science, right? There is a link attached in the description box of this video which you are watching right now. You can go to the link, you can click on the link, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can refer to the community post section of that channel, and all the details related to the batch, related to classes, related to notes, where to get the notes, how to download notes, how to download the assignments. You will get all those related information in the community post itself. Okay, as we discussed what we will be offering you, right? So how we will be having interesting sessions, we already discussed. Our lectures will be one shot, our lectures will be detailed, we will be having live quizzes, we will be having strategy videos, we will be having toppers, discussion sessions. But what else we are going to offer to students, ma'am, right? So Astha ma'am, can you please come and tell that what is this live marathon sessions?
So we're gonna come live and we're gonna take every chapter of every subject and we are gonna take that in very much detail. We're gonna talk about all the notes. Yes, that is very important. Whenever we come to class, we think, array notes, we're gonna make it later, right? But we have to make sure we have to make every note in the class itself. We are not gonna waste our time after the class to write that down, right? So you have to make sure, first of all, in the class only, in the live marathon only, you guys are making that notes in which we're gonna cover all the in-text question, exercises questions, previous year questions, diagrams, activities. That means nothing is gonna be missed during that live marathon.
And ma'am, I think there is an advantage of having live marathon sessions. Students are always commenting their doubts, so the teacher knows the doubt itself at that time only. So all their doubts can be clear at that time itself. So,
Exactly.
So there will be this two-way interaction. It will not be like that कि okay बस हम पढ़ा के चले गए. You can share your doubts. You can share all those problems which you are facing in a particular subject, and your teachers will help you out in every way possible.
Exactly.
Okay, and as I said, your teachers will help you in every way possible. I do mean by that strategies as well. Rubina ma'am, as we were discussing before the session as well, it is very important to guide a student, right, ma'am? So when it comes to English specifically, ma'am, will you be guiding how to write good answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I had this problem in school. I knew the concept, but I was not able to express it in my words. So will you be helping students with the answer writing and everything, framing, vocab?
Yes, ma'am, sure. In this video, I just want to give you one hint. Fine. 20 minutes, daily 20 minutes you have to give for chapter reading. Then we are going to start our answer writing. 20 minutes regularly read any random chapter of your syllabus. And in the video, I am going to tell you how to write the answer. Fine. And this is your activity at your home.
Ma'am has already given you activity. Ma'am has already started giving you homework. Ma'am has already started finding mistakes in your comments. So be prepared. Ma'am will make you perfect in English, I can say. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, Astha, what is this DPPs with hints and solutions? So, DPP stands for Daily Practice Paper. So, ma'am, after the one-shot lecture, क्या हर बच्चे को ये DPP मिलने वाला है?
Exactly. The DPP purpose is basically whatever you have learned, you are practicing that, right? How much you have gathered, how much you have learned, are you able to apply that knowledge? So for that, we have DPPs for your daily practice paper, and we have full solution. That is the video solution as well as the hint, so that whenever you're stuck, right, I'm not able to answer it. So you'll have a video solution as well for that particular question.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And as I said earlier, we have class notes as well. So whatever the teacher has written on the board, all those notes which teacher has taught on the board will be shared in the form of PDF. So that PDF notes will be shared with you. और ये सब चीजें कहाँ मिलेंगी, लाइक PDF नोट्स हो गए, DPPs हो गई. So you will get all these notes and DPPs in your app, right? So if you are not on app yet, what you can do is you can go to Play Store, you can go to iOS app, and iOS क्या होता है? App Store. So you can download the physics वाला PW app from there, and you can join the batch, Phoenix batch. You can join the Spartans batch, and all the content, all the documents related to batch will be shared there, right? So everything is sorted here. Today's session, and you must be happy to know all the things which PW is doing for all the students, because ma'am, this demand was this demand was actually pending since very long time. We used to get this from a lot of students. We want lectures in pure English, and we said, भाई जो तुम बोलते हो हम तुम्हारी बात मानते हैं, right? So very happy, ma'am, very excited to start with the classes. Ma'am, when we are starting with the classes? 26 June, right? So see you there on 26th of the June. Be ready with your नई की नई copy and pen, okay? चलो मिलते हैं क्लास में. Thank you so much. Bye.